How to remove card from Amazon account. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Amazon, or you can move into the Amazon website. Once you're in this page, enter login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you're in the home page of Amazon, click on your profile icon at the very top of the screen. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and then you will see All Options. Tap on it. Scroll down until you see the option where it says Amazon Pay. You can see the option of Manage Payment Options. Click on it. In this page, you will be able to see all the payment method that you have added on Amazon. If you want to remove it, all you gotta do is click on the payment method that you want to remove. Once you have clicked on it, you will see the option to remove. Click on Remove and tap on Confirm. After that, your payment method will be removed. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.